All right, guys, I got a cool little pro tip for you if you are listening to your music in your car, because as a music producer, it's always important to test our music in different environments that we're used to listening in. My car currently doesn't have a battery, so I got a battery, gonna put it in, and then I will talk to you in a second. All right, guys, so what I want to show you in this video is because, again, as music producers, we always want to be testing out our music in our car, but sometimes what happens is, let's say you are driving with a family member, or let's say you pick up a friend, you just made a beat, you want to share the beat with them. So what can happen a lot of times is, and this isn't anything new, okay? This is what they do in the restaurant industry. This is the reason why speakers are over your head, is because if the speakers are right by you, what happens is, the audio is in the same zone as where you're speaking, and it's really annoying, so you're not able to listen to your music very loud. So the little tip I want to pass on to you guys is, if you pick somebody up, you can put your audio a bit more into the back, all right? So we're not talking left and right, we're talking, I think that's called fade on a vehicle, but you can put it more on the back speakers, and I promise you, you will be able to turn your music up way louder and have a really good conversation with the person beside you, and you can just put your audio back a little bit. That's it, okay? Any vehicle allows you to do that. It doesn't have to be a fancy touch screen like this. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you, and I wanted to make this video for so long, but I didn't have my vehicle operational, but I just put a new battery in, and now I thought is the perfect time to show you this little tip. So again, this is nothing new, and just like I said, in the restaurant industries, this is what they do. That's why the speakers are above instead of, at the same height as where the conversation is. If the audio is kind of out of the way, you can have a good conversation. So all you got to do is you just put your audio back on your back speakers. But if you actually want to listen to your music like for yourself, because as we are making our beats, we have to be testing in different environments. Make sure that you are listening in your normal listening environment if you are testing in your car. But again, if you're picking somebody up and you want to listen to the beat but still have a good conversation, you can just bump it back a little bit. You'll be able to turn your music up way louder. That way the audio isn't just right up in the front with you guys. You'll be able to have your conversation. You'll be able to turn your music up way louder and enjoy your time together. So that's it.